Hello, this video is a tutorial on how to get a one and done out of a fluid end a little more easily. The first thing you want to do is you want to remove the transparent top off of your pump and get ready to do something that would be very much like a manual rotation. You'll need to open the vent on all of the fluid ends except for the one that you're actually working on so that you can spin the output shaft, unless the pressure is low enough in your system that you can spin the pump without having to necessarily vent chemical. So once you've got the transparent top off, you'll need a 5mm Allen wrench, and you put that into the output shaft on the output of the bolt. Okay. The next thing you want to do is you want to loosen off what would normally be a packing adjustment nut, but with the one and done is just a retainer nut. So this is just holding the one and done in place. So we got her loosened off here. So you want to make sure that you start with the plunger retracted as far as you can. Back off the nut. Okay. Now you use your Allen key to stroke the pump towards the fluid end in question. And as you can see down here, we're using the actual hydraulic pressure from the chemical as a means of being able to jack out the fluid end. Or not the fluid end, the one and done. So now we've got it out to the first O-ring anyways. And from there, you should be able to take off the fluid end and grab it with a pair of channel locks and just twist it out. It'll pop right out. Now just keep in mind though, that with an HER here that extends out further, you're not able to jack out the one and done very far, but it is far enough to be able to get a pair of channel locks on it. So that might help out a little in the field on how to get the one and done removed from a fluid end.